S-500 missile system, also known as 55R6M Triumphator M or Prometri, is Russia's most advanced mobile surface-to-air and anti-ballistic missile platform. It is designed to counter modern hypersonic threats and supplement the S-400 and A-25 missile systems. It was developed by Almaz-Antey and officially entered service on 16 September 2021 with the Russian Space Forces. It is capable of intercepting ballistic missile, hypersonic weapons, aircraft, UAVs, and even low-orbit satellites. S-500 missile system features. S-500 missile system features cutting-edge radars, long-range interception, modern hypersonic defense, and multi-target engagement capabilities as detailed below. Designed to intercept ballistic missile, hypersonic cruise missiles, aircraft, and low Earth orbit satellites at ranges up to 600 km. Air defense range is approximately 500 km with the ability to track and engage 10 hypersonic targets flying at 7 km per second. Target altitude capability reaches 180 to 200 km, enabling near space interception. Response time is under 4 seconds, which is faster than S-400. Components include 77P6 launch vehicle, 91 and 6AM radars, 96LPTSP radar, 76T6 and 77T6 engagement radars. Uses 40 and 6M, 77 and 6 and 77 and 6 and 1 missile. S-500 missile system and S-400 comparison. S-500 missile system significantly advances in several aspects including interception altitude, response time, and hypersonic engagement capability as compared to the S-400 system. The major difference listed below. Range: S-400 reaches 380 km while the S-500 missile system extends to 600 km, offering deeper strategic defense. Satellite capability: S-400 lacks ASAT functionality. The S-500 missile system can target LEO satellites. Response: S-400 response is less than 10 seconds. S-500 reacts within 3 to 4 seconds, enhancing survivability. Altitude: S-400 intercepts around 30 to 40 km, whereas the S-500 missile system can engage target at 200 km, reaching near space. Radar: the S-500 missile system offers superior multi-band radar detection compared to S-400, high but limited stealth tracking. Hypersonic interception: S-400 has limited capability, while the S-500 missile system reportedly can neutralize hypersonic target traveling Mach 5 to 7. S-500 missile system. Recently, during the visit of Russian President Vladimir Putin to India December 4, 2025, the Defense Minister is expected to show interest in the S-500 missile system and ongoing defense discussions. In September 2021, Russia indicated that India could be the first potential export customer for the S-500 missile system. Various reports in September 25 suggested India's interest following the S-400 performance in Operation Sindoor, through later reports clarified no immediate purchase decision. High cost, complex maintenance, specialized training, and integration challenges remain key issue for India. During President Vladimir Putin's visit, discussion between Indian Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Russian Defense Minister Andriy Belousov may include timely supply of military hardware and potential future procurement of the S-500 missile system. Export availability remains limited and political negotiations are expected to be prolonged.